We're trying to figure out how to get this thing out of here. Have to go up that hill over there, and it's all in snow. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuilds Garage, and today has been probably the best day so far this year. It's almost 50 degrees, and we already took the GTO to the frame shop. We didn't get too much videos about it, but we're about to go pick it up, and we're kind of excited about it. We have not seen it since. I hope, it's going to be good, and a lot of more work still coming. It's not done yet, but a lot of work coming. We also have merch for you guys. Right here, Auto Rebuilds Garage. On the back, we have a couple different styles. Go check it out, support the channel, and let's get into this video.
All right, guys, the trailer's hooked up. Let's go see what the GTO looks like.
See if they'll start. We're trying to figure out how to get this thing out of here. Have to go up that hill over there, and it's all in snow. Hopefully we don't bend this thing out.
Get back up the truck.
Gonna try to pull this thing up with this bad boy.
Hey, does your four-wheel drive work?
Go mudding again?
Dude, this thing's gonna...
Yeah, without running first, and then you guys can't tell how big the hill is, but that's the exhaust rattling, by the way. going, Dave. They left me, but. Try number 3. Hey, how many tries is that?
7. Have a delete file? Anything, I don't know, maybe if you can figure out something to let me know. If not,
What happened? What did he say?
you deleted the videos.
Of him fixing it?
Yeah. So we'll see.
Wow.
He was gonna send him,
I thought we were gonna have some footage.
and instead of sending it, he somehow deleted it. And it's a Samsung, so there's no way of like going into a deleted file.
That's why you get a iPhone, right?
Yep. Sponsorship video.
Sponsorship.
iPhone.
Apple's, you gotta sponsor us.
Alright guys, so as you've seen, the GTO is back. It looks good. By the way it looks right now, it seems like it doesn't need anything except for some headlights and call it good. But no, we still got work to do. We will show you guys what the frame guy did, where he sectioned it in, and show you guys what else needs to get done to make this beast be perfect. Right, so here's what we got going on. So we had him section in the rails right there on both sides. So we're just gonna have to do a little body work on it. Just put a little bit of filler on it. and paint it. We got the radiators, we have the condensers, we have everything to get it back and running. So here's what else we got to do, some more body work. We got a little bit of damage on the fenders. We're gonna just paint probably just a little bit of the fender, and then that way we could just blend the rest. The bumper has minor imperfections that we could fix. Nothing crazy. Hood got some rock chips that we'll fill in, and then also this fender has little imperfections right here. And the hood has a big old scratch. That's how it came from the junkyard. If none of these parts were damaged, we technically could have been done with it. Wouldn't have to paint it. It would have saved us some money, but it's all right. This way we can make more content for you guys and show you how we're gonna do the paint work. So the next step is gonna be to prep the framework that got done for paint that, put the radiators in it, fire it up. That way we could run it for a longer periods of time. And yeah, that's all gonna be on the next video. And then also, guys, we do have a semi-truck that we're rebuilding.
Go check it out. It's on our channel. And
A trailer, a 53-foot dry van semi-trailer that we're rebuilding. So check out those videos. And don't forget about the giveaway that we got going. We are gonna choose the winner on the next semi video. So what you gotta do to qualify for the giveaway is you gotta be subscribed to our channel. You gotta go follow us on Instagram. And then you also gotta comment 10,000 subs below on the part 2 of the semi-truck videos. So go there, do all those steps, guys, and you can win a $50 prepaid Visa card that we will ship out to whoever wins it. So do that. Also, don't forget about the merch. We already talked about it, but go get some, guys. You're supporting us, you're supporting the channel. That way we can make a lot more content for you guys, buy other builds, and keep you guys entertained. All right, guys, thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe, comment, like, and there's a lot more cool stuff coming in the future.